$2 at the minor on Wolf Run Eclipse, and $1.60. We're really open for $200 with 26 games. $200 would be amazing. We need some of that. That's what we need right there. $43. Not too shabby. We're at $100 already, less than halfway. Ooh, these dead spins, 3 of them in a row is not good. Oh my goodness, quit with these dead spins. There's a good one. Oh, we need to have 3 in a row, come on. 2 more spins, let's get to that $200 mark. There it is, exactly what we wanted, $204, we will take it.